We're doing UK Garage today. So you get the picture. So I'm going to start you on the master, and I've got the limiter for this one. I'm going quite a lot, probably too much there. A lot of the struggle with this tune was getting it to sound controlled and nice and tight and stuff. So I've got the limiter, and then before that I've got the clipper. Probably reducing too much. So I've been working with this clipper. It's a free clipper, initial clipper, and I've been dragging this down first of all, pulling these saturations up to matching them, and then seeing what I can get away with here, reducing the threshold, and then reintroduce the input. But just be careful you don't want it too distorted on the subs. So these basses, if you look at my bass group, I've got a lot going on really. I've got an EQ and a saturator, just to colour the sound, drive it a bit, add them harmonics and give it a bit more excitement for the listener. Boosted it here in this sub area. It's got the sidechain gate for the kick, just letting the kick cut through there. And got the clipper, might put that at the end. This Pro MB. And I've used the expand, put the attack down, and that's just around the 300 mark. Try and tighten those low mids, because they're quite tricky. And then we've got the amp. I've just reduced the gain here, got it on blues, and we just got a little bit on the dry wet. And then this density. This is one I've been using a lot. Air Windows, another free one, really good. You just high pass it and then drive it, and then you can just reduce the dry wet, so you're not distorting them sub areas. Okay, Phaseplant Patreon dropped today. Okay, so links below if you're interested in these sort of sounds. Got a sine wave, and then it looks like we're running this square through it. And then we've got both sent to lane 1, so lane 1, then 2 and 3. We've got the facturator, and then this notch filter. We're going a little bit on the pitch here. It's connected to here, just a couple of semitones sliding down, quite subtle. And then you've got 416 triplets here. Maybe you can go through here to change the woods and the start point, so you can have a really good mess with the groove. Cool. What else we got? This one's more subby, Phaseplant again, and it's what we've got going on. Is that doing anything? No. Looks like just a sub on this one with the glides. It's just a sine. It's this one here. Gone for like a bit of an LB vibe with these wubs here. Maybe we need a bit of attack. Cool. Might as well save these. There is batch 2 of Phaseplant this month, so batch 1's just gone in. There'll be another batch in a couple of weeks. Right, what else we've got? Another Phaseplant. And then it's just another pitch glide with a sine. And then we've got this Serum. This is also in the Patreon, and it is made from a 180. Smooth it out, and then it's this one, multi LB. Okay, you've got 12 o'clock position on the FM, which it gives you really nice tough harmonics. And then this here, I didn't want it to do that. I couldn't get rid of that first bit on this one, but we'll survive. If you are on the Patreon, that's troubling you, you can bounce the audio and just clip it a bit. But yeah, pretty cool one. Let's have a look at these drums now. Cool, so the drums, we've rounded them off a lot with some lo-fi techniques. I've rounded it off there. Saturator, got the amp, and I'm just rolling down the gain here. Just got to get the amount of gain right. Got the OTT. And then another EQ. And then the clipper. So we're rolling it back by quite a lot. Can we drive it a bit more? You don't want to lose the character too much, and then you got this density again. Just smashes the hats a little bit, but within the actual drums, we're made up of this kick. We haven't tuned it, but we've done the transient here. So we could even tighten all these transients. Cool, all in the free sample pack as well, these drum sounds. Got this rim. Up to 2 semitones. Got this shaker. Got the hats. These hats are also in the free sample pack. I've just done a bit of stuff here. I've done the fading, +6 here, and I've just mashed up the EQ and then run it through the saturator. Keep the rims cutting through, and I've put this other saturator on there. It's Hoffer saturator. Cool. And the hat rhythm, we just got it like this. It's Command Shift U, and I've got it on 40%. 16T gives it that garagey swing. What else got? Oh, this grain here is also from the sample pack. Now we're trying to just make some sort of percussive rhythmical stuff. So I just had to join it all together, and then I've gone in the transient, and that makes it more staccato. And the auto filter, and I've got the kick snare cutting through that. So I'll keep the clarity there on the kick snare. These synths here are in Phaseplant. I'm going to save this one actually. Okay, and that's made from this Unison. It's a saw wave, but then the Unison, I've spread it, detuned it a little bit, and it's 6 times, but then I've gone for this minor 7, which gives it the chord. And then you've got the little envelope there, reverb, and then this wub, and I've got it on the slope 3. And then that's all's going on, and then this vocal, that's in the sample pack. Just EQ'd it, and it seems to have a reverb on it. I think the reverb's here. No, don't know where that reverb's coming from, but basically that's it. Remember, mono the kick, mono the sub, and then spread everything else accordingly. Patreon links below, free samples below, all that stuff.